Join me as I dive into the mysteries of forgotten empires and see if I can uncover secrets you never knew existed. The stories of great empires have captivated us for centuries, from the Romans to the Egyptians. Their legacies continue to shape our world today. However, many empires have been lost to the sands of time, their achievements and contributions relegated to the fringes of history. These forgotten empires hold secrets waiting to be uncovered, and that's exactly what we will do today. Uncovering the lost knowledge and achievements of these empires is a monumental task. Japan's earliest known civilization, the Jōmon people, thrived thousands of years ago, leaving behind intricate pottery and evidence of early settlements. Later, the Yayoi period introduced advanced agriculture and metalworking, laying the foundations for the Japan we recognize today. Though often overlooked, these ancient cultures played a crucial role in shaping Japanese society and governance. One of the main reasons these empires have been overlooked is that they often didn't leave behind grand monuments or sprawling cities. Instead, their influence was embedded in systems of governance, warfare, and philosophy. In Japan, the rise of the samurai during the Kamakura period signaled a shift in power from the imperial court to military rule. These warriors, bound by the code of Bushido, shaped Japan's history through their discipline, loyalty, and military prowess. The more we learn about these forgotten empires, the more we come to appreciate the complexity and diversity of human civilization. Japan's Edo period, marked by stability, economic growth, and cultural refinement, saw the emergence of a structured class system, thriving arts, and international trade. Despite Japan's isolationist policies, the vibrant streets of Edo, modern-day Tokyo, were bustling with merchants, artisans, and samurai, leaving behind a cultural legacy that still influences Japan today. Each empire has its own unique story to tell, its own secrets to reveal. In the northernmost regions of Japan, the indigenous Ainu people lived in harmony with nature, maintaining distinct traditions, language, and spiritual beliefs. Unlike the dominant Japanese culture, the Ainu preserved their identity through oral traditions and sacred rituals, though much of their history has been marginalized. Understanding their past helps us appreciate the cultural diversity within Japan itself. The Hittites, for example, were a powerful empire that flourished in ancient Anatolia, modern-day Turkey. Similarly, Japan maintained its dominance through isolationist policies during the Edo period, closing itself off from most foreign influences for over 200 years. However, in 1853, when Commodore Perry's black ships arrived in Edo Bay, the country faced an unavoidable confrontation with the outside world. This moment forced Japan to reconsider its policies, leading to dramatic changes in its political and social structure. One of the most surprising secrets I've come across is the incredible achievements of civilizations that have transformed their fate. The Meiji Restoration in 1868 marked Japan's rapid modernization, where samurai traditions gave way to industrialization, military reform, and Western-style governance. This transformation reshaped Japan into a global power, proving that even the most traditional societies could adapt and thrive in a new era. This secret is particularly surprising because it challenges our traditional view of empires. Just as Africa's Nubians built a kingdom that rivaled Egypt, Japan, too, established itself as a dominant force in the modern era. As the 20th century approached, Japan's military and industrial capabilities expanded, leading to its role in global conflicts. By studying this period, we gain insight into how a nation can evolve from feudal traditions to a powerful empire with far-reaching influence. The more we learn about these forgotten empires, the more we realize how much they have contributed to our modern world. From samurai traditions influencing modern martial arts, to the Edo period's economic innovations shaping contemporary business practices, Japan's legacy is deeply embedded in global culture. By remembering these empires and their achievements, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and diversity of human civilization. That's it for today's journey into the mysteries of forgotten empires.